Hi Julian, sorry to hear about the problem with your John Lewis tumble dryer JLTDH21. Now these tumble dryers are predominantly made for John Lewis Superstore by the Electrolux group. Now Electrolux are really good at giving you the workshop manuals and all the technical information you need for replacing this belt. So I've managed to get you the full workshop manual, wiring diagram and all the diagnostic procedures for this dryer. It is well worth maintaining the tumble dryer when stripping it down to replace the belt. In other words, hoovering out absolutely everything to get rid of all the fluff. You will thank me in the long term because it will make the tumble dryer dry much more efficiently. Now you'll have to excuse the location I'm at the moment. I'm in Lelystrad, which is the inland waterway system, and I'm waiting for a ferry in 3-4 days time from the Hook of Holland back to the UK. And I've actually got to go across a road, if you look in the distance here, and there is a road that runs all the way across this waterway system. It must be about 10-15 miles long in my opinion. Anyway, I've got a lovely camp spot here and I'm just answering all customers' emails at the moment, catching up after the IFA trade show, which I've been at. That was in Berlin. You also mentioned you had a problem with the pulley wheel on a Hoover tumble dryer. I do need the model number to be able to assist you on this, but pulley wheels should have no sideways movement in them at all. It is really important that the belt always lines up on the shaft correctly and also lines up onto the drum. Now if the pulley wheel is not lining up correctly, it will wobble. This can actually throw the belt off the actual tumble dryer or do damage to the belt. Anyway, all the stuff you need is in the page that I've created for you, and I will put a little bit extra at the end of this video to show you how to get the best out of the web page. I hope this helps you. Thanks very much and goodbye from Holland.
I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you.